Right, so yeah, so this is the stuff that I've had to buy. So got here the Astonished dishwasher tablets, which were right. So that was Astonished 5-in-1. So that was £3.79. Three things of the milk were £3.99 for the three. I've also got the rinse aid. And it's like I said, it's the first time I've ever had to buy any of this stuff, so it's quite a lot to buy. I've also got myself a little folding step thing as well. That was £5.99, so that was £6. Got a new HDMI cable, which I think was actually quite a good deal. So it's a 4-meter HDMI cable, and it cost £2.99. So £3. Oh wait, sorry about that. So a bit of a thing. Right, so yeah, and also obviously bought this, which is the what you call it? The splitter, washing machine Y splitter. So this is where I'm gonna put the dishwasher. I did have all plants there, and I don't usually have this much washing up, but as I knew I was getting the dishwasher, I've saved up my washing up, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to get a Hoover and just clean all this bit. Alright, so right. There we go, that's the worst of it all off. Because I sucked up a load of basil leaves, my Hoover now smells like basil, which is quite nice. Right, I'll leave the Hoover out just in case I come across a spider. Now, I've got to remember where the connection for the washing machine is. I believe it's right at the back, but I'll just get some bleach on this side here. Right, let's let that sort of sit on there for a little while. Alright, so I think I'm going to have to move my dining table and all this off. This finished tablets that my mum bought me today. Yeah, I was surprised at, like, you know, this dishwasher solves, and I mean, the milk's not really much to do with it, and neither's the step, to be fair, but, you know, that I bought them all together. I thought I'd show you how much that kind of thing costs. So, yeah, so the rinse aid, so the salts were £1.75. I got a loose aid drink, which was £1.75. And the washing machine Y piece was £3.99 actually, and the rinse aid is £1.39. Right, still haven't hung this picture up on the wall. I did give it a bit of a clean, so it does look a little bit better than it did. Right. Luckily, this so my dining table, it like all folds out. It's pretty cool. It is. Don't get to use it as often as I'd like to, but you know. And then it's got the stools and that are all in the sides, so they come out here. See, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Well, let's move that out of the way. I'll put this up here. So this is out of the way when I bring the dishwasher in. Ah, the stomach toe. Right, okay. Oh, there's a pole. from blinds I don't even own anymore. Right, I want to try and slide this out without hurting the floor. I honestly can't remember. There's a dishwasher on the floor. It has some damage, but I'll explain why it has that damage. What have I come back in here for? Light. Yes. Right, okay, so the taps must be on this side at the back there. Right, okay, so yeah, so there's the connection to the mains water. The tube for the washing machine is really long. I wonder if I can literally swap those over, because I'm not sure about the tube that I've got for the dishwasher will actually reach, but we'll see. As soon as I put this dining room table in front of that door, I was like, I'm definitely going to have to go in that door. And then I thought about it and I was like, no, there's nothing that I need. And then I thought, I don't have a bucket. I have a bucket. So, I need to disconnect the washing machine. So, I can feel spider webs, I hate that. Right, so switch it off. And then get your bucket. Right, and then just simply unscrew. Oh, I don't like that, this pipe here. It seems very weak, which worries me slightly. So put this on. Oh, spider webs. Ooh. I really don't think this one's going to be long enough. Yeah, I might have to swap these tubes. Right, so as you can see, the dishwasher is damaged. It is damaged goods, but it was 50% off. It's supposed to be £200, got it for 104 free delivery. So, can't really complain, to be fair. Right. Yeah, I might have to put it, let's see, right. Like that. I thought it was worked up strong enough. Should be there, shouldn't it? Right, so they're all connected, water switched back on. Right, so we'll see. Right, so there is my dishwasher. So I need to put the salt in it, I believe. This little thing. Alright, how much salt do I put in? So we're medium. My part of the country is here. So it's medium. So doesn't really say. Let's just put some in for now. Is that enough? Nice. She's got salt, she's got water. Let's give her some of the rinse aid. Oh shit, that's way more watery than I thought it was going to be. That's really awkward to pour those. I bet it will. Oh my god, he's put way much in. Oh my god, that's not enough. I need to learn. Right, so I have got the ones off my mum, but I have bought these Astonish all-in-one ones, which is what I'm going to use going forward. I will do a little test, but I'm going to go in blind with these. And I've been saving up my washing up for about 4 days now, so there's plenty of things to go in. Going that way, is that better? This is the part of washing I buy, is all the little knives and forks and things. Oh my god, drive mad, can't wait for them all to be gone. Right, so as far as I know, that is all set up and ready to go, and I've managed to get in pretty much my entire, and I've not put that bottle in, I use them for plants, but yeah. Right, I want to put some sort of a little strap on there or something, just to make sure that that does not move when it's got the water in it, but we'll see. Right. Dun, dun, dun. I'm just going to put it on a standard. Alright, it's going to get the instructions just to make sure there's nothing that I've overlooked. Alright. Attention. Alright, okay, it's basically stuff placement etiquettes. European energy thingy-majiggy. Dishwasher instructions, generic version. When loading items to be washed, yada yada yada. Disposal, yada yada yada. Using your dishwasher, right, so salt container, yeah, important. To get this one, do it, read the operating instructions, set water softener, load salt into the softener, load bucket, fill the dispenser. Now, if your model does not have any water softener, you may skip the section. Always use salt intended for dishwasher use. The container is located below the thing. You only use salt sifter type will prevent against salt water, which may be spilled. Clean the door regularly to make sure that it doesn't build up dirt that can then make the water fall out. Yeah. I want to see what the programs are, to be honest. Oh, why isn't it telling me what the damn settings are? Yeah. Right, so start, pause, delay, program. Right, it's quickies, guys. So set it all up. Yeah. Remove residue on stuff. Yeah. Select program. So we've got power, start, pause, play. Right, here. So intensive, universal. So that's probably the one we'll go with. Right, we'll just do universal as the initial. Right, so switch it on. There we go. It's program 3. It's sandwich eco, which I don't want. I want program 2. Let's see. Okay, it's saying it's not got enough. Rinse aid. How much is, literally I don't know these things. Well, how much does it take? Right, that looks relatively full. I'll take how much do you need? That's literally filled itself like up to the top. But surely that is enough now. No! There's a lot of salt in there, so I'm just going to say that is enough. Alright, so the spinner spins freely. Alright, it's on. Nice, we'll see what it's like when it finishes. Right, so the dishwasher has finished. Seems to have all gone okay. There are no floods, no escape of water. It looks like all of the dirty water has drained away. So here we go. Ooh, look at that. Oh, everything's lovely and clean. Oh, that's brilliant. Love it. Love it already. So yeah, so the oh yeah, I was going to mention this the broken bit here, but yeah, it seems to all work okay, but yeah, it just looks a bit meh. So I've ordered this like shelving unit thing to go over it, so it'll cover that up. But yeah, so yeah, brilliant. Finally feel like I'm a proper adult.